Supercharge your action shots with the powerful speed blur effect. Press Ctrl+J to duplicate the layer. Select the object and make a mask by clicking here. Then holding Ctrl, click on mask and go to the other layer and go to Select, Modify, Expand and expand selection to 25 pixels. Now press Shift plus F5 to fill your object. Transform your layer to Smart Layer so you can adjust any filter you add and go to Filter, Blur Gallery, Path Blur. Here you have to draw the lines directed towards the object's movement. You have to draw at least 5 lines for the best effect, but you want a real image, so you know that close objects aren't as blurred as far objects. To do this you have to tick Edit Blur Shapes and adjust speed at every point. At the start of the line set 0 pixel and at the end 300 pixel. Do this at all lines. And set the speed to 50. The background is perfect, but now we need to work with the object. Go to Path Blur again. Now do the same, but lines should be directed against the movement and blur set point speed to 50 pixels. You have an easy speed blur. See other Photoshop tutorials here. Happy shooting!